Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we want to talk about Apecoin. Guys, ladies, Apecoin here on the 4-hourly chart pumped incredibly. Look how much it pumped. Just today it started this rally about 30%. If you look here on crypto bubbles, Apecoin pumped 37%. Trading right now at $16.85. That's actually right now slightly above 70. If you zoom in and look on the hourly chart, came already to this level, little retracement and pumped again to this level. If we look on the RSI is right now still overbought, but you can see a bearish divergence. So the price is actually here on the same level, slightly above, but the RSI is going down. So that is actually a bearish divergence. If you zoom in on the 50-minute chart, you can see that the price is right now far away from the EMA ribbons. Actually here you can see the RSI is going much more down than actually on the hourly chart. So like this. So every time the price goes up and the RSI is going down, that means that this coin lost the momentum and the uptrend. It doesn't mean that from this point now the price will definitely go down. It still can happen that Apecoin will do another pump, and after that the bearish divergence will play out. But have this definitely in mind and watch out if this if there will be a little correction. So let me delete this and let's check the Fibonacci retracement. So first let's take a look. Okay, so here it came exactly to this golden pocket and boom, pumped from this level. Actually the pump was here about 30%, yeah. Let's do another one, and from the short-term perspective. So right now the next target would be here, the 1.618 at $18.40. That means another pump of 6%, and maybe after that we will see a correction. So, but let's zoom out again, maybe on the daily chart, to see where does it actually come from. So right now it really has to take out this high here at $18.07. So that would be at the Fibonacci level I showed you before. So if Apecoin can break through this resistance level here, then there's actually no stop for this coin. Just this high from the initial pump, from the first pump here at around $40, and just this can be a pump of 120%, but still a long way. First, this resistance And let's do here another Fibonacci retracement level. So the golden pocket would be exactly in the middle of these two lines. So guys, ladies, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, check out my channel and smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you will not miss out any of my new videos. I update and upload daily new content about different trading altcoins like Baby Doge, Jasmine Coin, GMT token, Audios, Filecoin, and of course Bitcoin. So smash the subscribe button. That would really support me. If you want to trade, also check out the links in the description. You can trade this on Phemex and Bybit. So thank you very much for watching. And as always, no financial advice. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. Peace out, guys and ladies.